Our goals here at TD Garden are fairly simple. We're trying to maintain the highest level of customer service at the best value. Every dollar we save from an operating perspective goes right to the bottom line. In order to deliver those goals, we're always challenged to find new opportunities, new means and methods. Technology is constantly evolving. Here at the Garden, we are always looking to improve and make our lives easier on the back end to hopefully provide a better level of service to our clients. The current renovation is estimated at approximately $100 million. We're investing in new concession stands, retail amenities, and we're even going as far as to upgrading amenities in the restrooms. If you think about the dynamics of a hockey and a basketball game, everyone waits in line for a beer and a hot dog, and the bathrooms subsequently see that influx and hit. The N-Motion product has really enabled us to have a much longer lasting product, give us some redundancy so that we can have 2 rolls in a dispenser at the same time and get us through those bursts of restroom use during intermissions. It's enabled our employees to have more time to focus on the important details of the cleaning aspects versus time changing out paper towels, batteries, or soap. The overall presentation of this current product is far sleeker and much more modern than our older units. They were very utilitarian. They were encased in a stainless steel box and they were a pull towel. They always broke. It's those little tiny low-lying pieces of fruit that often, when you combine a number of them, they make a big impact. The N-Motion dispensers have really been on the operating labor and efficiency standpoint. It's provided us a much more cost-efficient solution versus the way we used to do business.